Hello everyone, welcome back. Welcome back with the second regular Sudoku in today's newspaper of, yes, it's Wednesday, September the 23rd, 2020. The second regular Sudoku is a medium Sudoku, and this one will be number 1594. And before I start, I always count the printed digits so you have a kind of indication of the difficulty level if you want to compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and 4 stars Sudokus in the additional. We have here 4 plus 5 is 9, plus 2 is 11, plus 4 is 15, 16, plus 4 is 20, 21, 24, plus 2 is equal to 26. Alright, 26, that means if I compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and 4 star Sudokus, this will be a 2-star Sudoku. Alright, so let's get started. Let me see. Which number can I use? How about the 3? No, we have the 3 here already. Let me see. The 2 in this row, a 2 in the row above. So in that row, the only 3 places for the 2 should be here, or there. We see here 2, we see there 2, so no 2 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 2 should be there. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 2. We see here 2, so no 2 in that box. Here also a 2, so no 2 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 2 should be there. Then I cannot continue with the 2. How about the number? The number 9 in this column, 9 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there. We see here 9, no 9 there, 9 should be there. 9 in this row, 9 in the middle row, so the row above. Only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there. We see here 9, no 9 there, 9 should be there. 9 in the third column, 9 in the second column, so in the first column, the only place for the 9 should be there. And then I cannot continue with the 9. I need more information, I think, yes. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We see here 6. No 6 in these 3 boxes. 1 box left for the 6 should be there. These 3 missing numbers are the numbers 1, 5, and 8. And look, we have a 5 and an 8 here. So no 5 and an 8 in this box. The 5 and an 8 goes in those 2 boxes. We see here 5, so no 5 there. 5 should be here. And 8 goes there. 1 digit left in this big square for the number 1. Then 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those numbers are the 1, the 6, and the 7. And look, we have the 1 and the 7 here in this row. So no 1 and a 6 in this box. The 1 and the 6 goes in those 2 boxes. So 1 digit left should be the 7. Let me mark them for you. 6 and the 1, 6 and the 1, because it's a pair. Alright. So, and now let me see. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 3. We see here 3, so no 3 in these 2 boxes. There are 3, no 3 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 3 should be there. 8, 5. 3 missing numbers. One of those 3 missing numbers are the 7, the 8, and the 5. And look, we have the 8 and the 5 here in this column. So no 8 and the 5 in this box. The 8 and the 5 goes in these 2 boxes. Let me mark them. So 1 box left for this big square for the number 7. 2 boxes left in this column for the numbers 4 and 3. I cannot fill this yet, but it's a pair. This is also a pair in the second column for the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 is missing and the 8 is missing. 8 and the 5, 8 and the 5. Let me mark them for you. Then let me see. 3 missing numbers in this row. Those numbers are the 2, the 6, and the 7. 2, 6, 7. I cannot. No, I cannot use this. I cannot. No. 8, 6, 1. This should be a 2, 5. The 7. Alright. 9. 8, 2, 8. I'm scanning. Alright, in this big square, 7 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 1. We see here 1, so no 1 in these 3 boxes. There are 1s in this row, so no 1 in those 3 boxes. So the 1 could be here or could be there. So we have a 1 in this column, a 1 in the column next. So in the last column, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see here 1, no 1 there, 1 should be there. 1 in this row, 1 in the row below. So in the last row, only place for the 1 should be there. 2 boxes left in this big square for the number 6 and 7. We see here 6, so no 6 there, 6 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Then 7 should be here. 2. Alright. How about the number here in this big square? No. 1 in this row, 1 in the middle row. So in the row below, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be there. I have marked those 2 boxes with the 6 and the 1. This box cannot be a 1 anymore because we have a 1 here. So this box should be the 1 and this box should be the 6. Now we have a 1 there. So this box cannot be a 1 anymore. This box should be the 1. 1 box left in the third row for the number 7. 7 is missing. In this big square, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 7. We see here 7, no 7 in these two boxes. There's 7, no 7 in those two boxes. So the 7 could be here or could be there. So we have a 7 in one of those two boxes in this column, a 7 in the column next. So in the last column, the only place for the 7 should be there. 2 boxes left in the last column for the numbers 4 and 6. 4 and 6, we have a 6 there, so no 6 there. 6 should be here, and a 4 goes there. 2 numbers left in this row for the numbers 2 and 9. Let me mark them for you. It's a pair. This is also a pair. The first row, the numbers 6 and 8. We have a 6 here, so no 6 there. 6 should be here, and 8 goes there. Then how about 8, 5, and 4? Yes. 3 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 4. We see here 4, so no 4 there. Here also 4, so no 4 there. The only place for the 4 should be here. 8 and the 5 are left in this row. We have a 5 here, so no 5 there. 5 should be here. And the 8 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for the number 8. Then 6 in this row. 6 in the middle row, so in the row above. The only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. We see here 6, no 6 there. 6 should be there. 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column, so in the column next. The only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. We see here 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here. And all the 6s are used, I can see. Digit number 1. Alright. 2 numbers left in this column for the numbers 4 and 8. 4 and 8, we have an 8 here, no 8 there. 8 should be here, the 4 goes there. Then 3 numbers left in this big square. The numbers 3 is missing. The 8, no, the 7 is missing. 3, 7, and 2. We see here 2, no 2 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 2 should be there. The 3 and the 7 are left. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here. And the 7 goes there. 1 number left in this row for the number 2. Now we have a 2 here. So this can't be a 2 anymore. This should be the 2. And this should be a 9. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 8 and 7 and the 5. 7 and the 5. We have a 7 here. No 7 there. 7 should be here, and 5 goes there. Then 2 numbers left in the middle column. 1, 2. The 3 is missing, and the 7 is missing. We see here 7, so no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Now we have a 3 there, so this can't be a 3 anymore. This should be the 3, and this should be the 4. 3 in this row, 3 in a row above. So in that row, the only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be there. 2 boxes, no. We have an 8 here. This box cannot be an 8 anymore. This should be the 8. This should be the 5. 1 box left in this row for the number 4. 1 box left in this column for the number 5. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 5 and 4. We have a 5 here, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 4 goes there. And the final two numbers of this big square, the numbers 9 and 8. 9 and 8. We have a 9 here, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 8 goes there. Finish in 50 minutes. Alright. Great Sudoku. I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the third regular Sudoku. It will be a killer Sudoku. If you like medium Sudokus, just search on my channel for the playlist for the medium, and you will get all the medium Sudokus in the past. Alright, so thank you again. See you soon in a minute. Bye bye for now.